All right, so ready to dive into something pretty pretty mysterious today.
Always love a good mystery.
Yeah, this one, I gotta say, this one's pretty unique.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lay it on me.
We're heading over to India,
Okay.
to the Jagannath Temple.
I've heard of it, yeah.
Yeah, it's famous. You know those incredible deities they have there, the wooden ones.
Right.
They replace them every 12 years.
Yeah.
And the ceremony is so secretive.
Oh, really?
It makes Area 51 look like an open house.
Whoa. Okay, so we're talking serious secrecy here.
Oh, big time.
So what makes this ceremony so special? Besides, the whole secret thing.
Well, so it's not like they're just swapping out statues.
Right.
It's a deeply spiritual event.
Right.
It's called Nabakalebara.
Nabakalebara.
Yeah, and it translates to new embodiment.
New embodiment.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Like it's not just a physical change.
It's a whole rebirth.
It's like a cosmic renewal, a cycle, like mirroring the rhythm of the universe.
Wow, that's heavy stuff.
I know, right? And this is where it gets even more interesting.
Okay, shoot.
They talk about this secret object.
A secret object.
Yeah, it's called the Brahm Padarth.
The Brahma Padartha. Okay, that sounds important.
It's supposedly transferred from the old deity to the new one.
Like during this ceremony.
During the ceremony, yeah.
Wow.
And nobody knows what it is.
Like at all.
There are tons of theories.
Okay.
Some people say it's a relic. Others say it's like, a sacred text, maybe even containing ancient prophecies.
So it's like the holy grail of temple secrets.
Exactly.
Wow, this is fascinating.
Oh, and get this.
What?
During the ceremony,
Yeah.
the entire city is blacked out.
Yeah. Like a power outage?
No, like an intentional blackout.
The whole city. Why?
That's what I want to know.
That's intense.
Right? Why go to such lengths? You know?
Yeah, that's a statement for sure.
Well, and they don't just, flip a switch.
What do they do?
The CRPF gets involved.
The CRPF, like India's Central Reserve Police Force.
Yeah, the big guns.
Whoa, so this isn't just some cultural thing.
No, this is serious business.
I mean, we're talking protecting a high-value asset.
Right.
Or a major political summit.
Exactly.
A city in darkness, elite forces guarding a temple.
It's a powerful image.
Really makes you think about how important this ritual is.
Definitely.
And what they're trying to protect.
Maybe there are, like, security concerns.
Yeah, or ancient beliefs.
About the Brahma Padarth, yeah.
Like, what would happen if it fell into the wrong hands?
Yeah, it makes you wonder.
It does.
I mean, they've been doing this for centuries.
Right.
They've been guarding these secrets, this tradition.
It really makes you think about the weight of all this.
Yeah.
I mean, why is it so important to them,
To maintain these practices.
Yeah. After all this time.
It's a powerful statement about faith.
I mean, this isn't just some dusty ritual.
No.
This is a living connection.
To their history.
Their culture, their identity.
Exactly. It's like these rituals.
Yeah.
They're threads,
Connecting them.
to their ancestors.
Their beliefs, their values.
It's their spiritual heritage.
Power stuff.
It really is.
It's like we're looking through a window.
Into the past.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
connecting with something so much bigger than ourselves.
So much bigger.
And it makes you wonder, doesn't it?
Oh, what?
What other secrets might be out there?
Hidden and ancient rituals.
All over the world.
This deep dive, I mean, this is just one temple.
One exact.
One glimpse into
Yeah.
this fascinating world of faith and tradition.
There's so much more out there.
I know. It's like, what other mysteries are just waiting to be uncovered? So, okay, let's recap.
Okay.
We've got this Brahma Padartha.
The secret object.
Yeah, shrouded in mystery.
And we've got these extreme security measures.
The blackout, the CRPF. Unbelievable.
It's like a scene out of a movie.
It really is.
But it's real.
And then there's the deeper meaning.
The spiritual significance.
The connection to history and culture.
I mean, it makes you think, right?
About.
What if these rituals aren't just about preserving the past?
What do you mean?
What if they're about shaping the future?
Shaping future.
Yeah. What if these traditions, these secrets,
Yeah.
hold wisdom, hold insights
It's that we've lost.
that we've yet to grasp?
Wow. That's an interesting thought.
It is, isn't it? It's something to think about as we,
As we keep exploring.
as we keep diving deeper.
into the world's cultural tapestry.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is a good one.
Lots to think about.
Definitely.
All right. Well, that's it for today's deep dive.
Until next time, keep those brains buzzing.
Absolutely.
See ya.
Bye.